James Ellington. The most important question first is, I've been hearing plans for Moscow and you're leading the party. What's going on here?
I'm planning to run fast in Moscow, that's what I'm doing. And then we can party after.
And then followed by the vodka shots, yeah?
Woo, if I run really well, you know.
What's possible then, what's possible?
I think 20.2, 20.1 is definitely on the cards. I've been showing glimpses of it in training, and my coach knows what he's doing, so by the time we get to the champs, I should be firing.
It's just been brilliant for you all season. You've been improving every time I speak to you. It's getting quicker and quicker.
Yeah, you know what, I've just stuck to the plan. I've trusted my coach's training program, and it's just working out, you know. I think I've always had the potential, but I just needed that guy to unlock it, and he's the man. So.
And a celebration that said it all.
Yeah, that's it, man. That's where the arms out and that. You've got to lap it up well as you can, you know. So.
I know, considering when I spoke to you the first time was in Manchester, where you've come from, you've got to appreciate that.
Yeah, I mean, like I spoke to you in Manchester, and I knew I was in shape. I didn't run the race I wanted to run in Manchester, but again, I was just sticking to the plan. We were still in heavy training, and the main aim was not a street fun race. The main aim was trials, making the world champions, competing well.
Brilliant, James, and good luck for Moscow now.
Cheers.